Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today's video will unbox and review the Lujo Box November 2019 edition. This month onwards they'll have special editions, like this month it's a face care edition which will be available after November also. I personally loved this edition and there's a special discount code too which I'll share towards the end of this video, so let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package reached me. First we have a brown cardboard box like this. Inside it we have this black Lujo box with their golden logo here. Really good quality box. It's very sturdy, has some texture on it, and even when you're inside they have this padding kind of thing. The info card is here. All the products are really nicely packaged, so let's go through them one by one. So the first product is by Sia Secrets, and in fact all the products this time are by this particular brand Sia Secrets, which I personally love. I've used them since long. They were part of subscription boxes some time back, so I got a lot of products that time. Unfortunately they're not coming in subscription box anymore, but I love receiving them because they're great quality. This product is something that everybody will use because it's a face wash. Honey and geranium pore refining multi cleanser for dry sensitive skin. Perfect for winter time because winters usually our skins get a little bit drier. 100 ml full size. It has a convenient pump packaging, and here are some details. The key ingredients are mentioned here, which does look very promising. Cost is 387 rupees and manufactured in October 2018. Best before 24 months, and the face wash will hardly go for 1 or 2 months, so I'm surely happy with this. Then the next product that I really liked is this serum. It says lightening and brightening age corrective cream. It has pink grapefruit, rattan jhot and saffron. So net weight is 30 ml. Here is the how to use and the ingredients list mentioned. You can see some amazing oils and extracts mentioned in this ingredient list. I am so impressed by this one. We can use it as both night and day serum. Same goes for the face wash, and this one is worth 648 rupees, manufactured in January 2019 and best before 24 months. It is quite a huge size, 30 ml size for a serum, guys. This is how the consistency is. So this is quite lightweight, and it is an oil-based serum which I like especially for winters, but it's not a thick oil, it's very light oil which will get completely absorbed into your skin but give it a very nice glow and nourish it as well, because in winters skins are a little drier. So I use all oil-based serums during the cooler months or the drier months, and this is very lightweight. I love it. The fragrance is also like a therapeutic fragrance. Then moving on, we have another huge product. It's their luxurious milking almond butter scrub. Exfoliates, hydrates and moisturizes as well. 175 gram size, guys. It's literally a huge tube. Cost of this is 693, manufactured in 2019 and best before 24 months. And here's the how to use, product benefits and about the product. Here they have the ingredients. You can again see amazing oils, butters and almond powder in it. It's definitely gonna be really good for the skin with such good ingredients, and that is one of the reasons why I love this brand, because it has really good ingredients and they do work, guys. Then moving on, after the scrub you also have a mask. I feel this scrub can be used for face and body both, since it's a huge tub. And this mask is for face. It says age defying contouring mask, high mountain shilajit and fulvic acid, detoxes, restores and balances. It's a glass bottle, very nice packaging, worth 612 rupees, manufactured in November, best before 24 months again, I believe. Yeah, and these are the ingredients. Kaolin clay will pull out all the dirt. It has some nice oils and some acid powders as well. Seaweed, really good ingredients, guys. Looking forward to using this one too. They come with this golden kind of packaging which looks really luxurious too, so I do like it. And this is how the mask looks like. Greenish black paste that you can directly apply on your face, no need to mix with any liquid or anything. And after that we have the last product which has come inside this box, and it's their lip savior. Cost is 315 rupees, manufactured in 9/2019, best before 24 months. And here are the key ingredients mentioned. Love the list again. 100% natural, handmade with love and cruelty free. So there are more details here. There is a thank you note and what is this and all of these things. So the variant we have got is watermelon, coconut and turmeric. It does have SPF 12 too. So this is how the packaging is. Definitely looks nice and luxurious. All details are mentioned on the top to 8-gram size. And this is how it looks. More of a fruity fragrance, I would say, and this is a very light color. It will be mostly like a transparent lip balm. I've used Sia Secret lip balms before and they're really nourishing, and that's why it's best for the winter times with those dry chapped lips. So these are all the products included in the face care edition of Lujo Box, or their November 2000 edition, although it will be available later as well till stocks last. Here is the info card with all the pricing details and some more details like how to use, etc., or the product claims. We have got all the products from the same brand, Sia Secrets, which I feel is good in a way, because personally I like to use same brands or similar brands, similar ingredients together. I feel they would work better with each other. So from here you can use the face wash and serum daily for your night and day skincare routine, along with the lip balm for day and night both. You can use the scrub and face pack together for a weekly or bi-weekly routine to get rid of the dead skin cells and get clearer, more radiant skin from inside. And as I told before, I love this brand because of the ingredients that they put. They actually do work, and I love this Lujo Box edition. They have curated an extremely good edition for us, and this is priced at 950 with free shipping. But I have a special discount code which is SONA05, which you can use on their website to get an additional 5% off. So you'll get it for around 900 including shipping, which is a huge deal. The total worth of the products is way more than that, and I know that these products are good quality. The pricing is not just something they have mentioned on the products, they actually are worth that, and this total box is definitely a must have, more than value for money. I loved it. My favorites will probably be the serum and this cleanser. But it's actually very difficult to choose favorites. I loved all of these. I will definitely be using all of these. So a big thumbs up to ordering this box from my side. If you liked it and are interested, then definitely go ahead and order one for yourself. All details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. The discount code is also there. You'll also find a link to the giveaway running on my channel there. There are 5 winners to be announced who will be getting MYOB hampers, so don't miss your chance. The rules are really simple, so go ahead and participate. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.